Hello, and thank you for your interest in Smart Trike. Learning to pedal and ride a tricycle is a major milestone in children's development. We as parents try to encourage our children's healthy progress and motor skills, so Smart Trike has created a great product that with a few simple adjustments will grow with your child from the early stage of riding in a stroller throughout each phase of development until he or she is ready to ride a tricycle unassisted. Sold in over 70 countries, Smart Trike is the world's best-selling, most awarded baby tricycle brand. This 5-in-1 tricycle is ideal for children from 10 to 36 months. You and your baby will absolutely adore it. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how this amazing, innovative Smart Trike is the best value for your money. The highlight of this tricycle is the patented steering technology, which allows smooth and easy maneuvering. Next, let's check out the magic button mechanism, which can easily switch the trike from parent-controlled to child-controlled by locking or unlocking the handlebar. As long as the Smart Trike is controlled by the parents, the magic button should be pushed down. When your child is ready to steer the trike independently, the button should be pulled up. Now, let me show you how this 5-in-1 baby trike grows with your child. The first stage, or reclining mode, allows your baby to enjoy riding the tricycle even if he or she is not yet sitting upright independently. This feature can be used at every stage anytime your child wants to rest. Just be sure to keep the magic button pushed down for parent control. Stage 2 is the 10-month position, so the footrest should be open, the pedals folded, and the clutch pulled out. Baby will be fully secured with the 3-point safety harness and additional safety bar, and the magic button should remain down. Stage 3 is for children who are at least 18 months old. The magic button should still be down, but you can remove the safety bar and canopy to give your little one a sense of independence. He or she can enjoy the ride while developing confidence, balance, and motor skills. In stage 4, which is appropriate for 24 months and up, your child will begin learning how to pedal. Make sure the footrest is folded up, the pedals are open, and the clutch is pushed in. You can now pull the magic button up. At this point, the trike is officially in child control mode, but you can still keep the parent handle in place to support your little one as he or she gets used to pedaling and steering under your supervision. When you feel your child is ready to take full control, remove the parent handle to switch into stage 5 for kids aged 30 months and up. This transforms the Smart Trike into a classic yet extra comfortable tricycle. Let's go over the features quickly. This item is equipped with advanced 360-degree touch steering, a unique shock-absorbing system, a magic button to control steering, a parent handle with a storage bag, a premium reclining seat with a padded cover and high back support, a pull-out clutch on the swivel wheel for freewheeling, dual component rubber wheels, a 3-point safety harness with shoulder pads and removable safety bar, a UV blocking canopy, non-slip foldable pedals, a basket with a functional removable storage bag, a foldable footrest, full metal construction, and a bottle holder. The ultimate gift for any child, this Smart Trike is sure to keep the fun rolling. Share with us how much your baby enjoys the trike and join our 10 million happy Smart Trikers from around the world.